Happy Friday. I hope you all are doing well. I'm ready to kick off the weekend. How about you guys? Anything fun planned? So in today's video, it's all about the hutch. And what I plan to do is pull these colors you see behind me directly over there because it's adjacent to each other. And in the coming weeks, you will see how I'm gonna sprinkle this look here and there. And I think it's looking really cute. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're working with today. I guess I'll start up here and then we will work our way down on each shelf. Excuse that, I don't know how to fix it. Usually it's tucked under there, but I have been having a heck of a time getting it to stay. The first piece I want to show you is something I picked up at a consignment store. So I found this unique piece. It's white around the edges, and then I'm thinking it was probably a mirror at some point, or maybe it went to a dresser, I don't know. But they took whatever was on the inside out and then they replaced it with wood boards. And I thought, how unique. So what I'm gonna do is this. I put a little tack right there. When you're working with wood pieces, you just twist the tack, twist, 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 goes right into the wood like butter. And then I thought I would take this beautiful wreath I found on Amazon. Adjacent to this hutch is the electric fireplace and that whole look we did the other day. So I'm pulling that wreath over this way, just so I can incorporate the same colors. But I love this wreath. I am obsessed with this wreath. I love it. I never thought I would like such a bright blue and yellow together, but this color combination, it just does it for me. And of course the green, because you guys know green is my favorite color. So all I'm going to do at this point is hang it on the tack. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now I'm just gonna throw it up there. I have this lantern set. It comes with 3. I checked on Amazon today. They are still available, yay. So you get a large, a medium, and a small, and they do come with glass. I opted not to put the glass in because I hate having to clean it every month. So this way I just leave it open. I just have to dust basically the top of it and maybe under here, as opposed to all sides. But if you want a more elevated, elegant look, by all means, put the glass in. It has these little tabs right here. You just insert the glass in and you'll lift these up right here and then push them down. It is so simple. I have a black set at my other house and then I have the white set. I do believe they come in rose gold, silver, white, black. I think those are the colors they come in. But anyway, I did check this color and the black, those two are available. Anyway, I love decorating with lanterns for a myriad of reasons. You can add garden balls, you can add florals, you can add topiaries, you can do anything you really want. Sky's the limit. And then you can add a tassel, a bow, you know, you can dress it up or down. So I will be going in with this cute topiary. That's it. Done. If you want to jazz it up, go in with ribbon of your choice that goes with your style. I think it's cute. It gives it a little extra something, and I'm gonna put it up top. All right, next, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own lamp. So I bought this little cute lantern set on Amazon. I believe it comes with another piece that fits on the inside. You can separate them or you can use them together. So I grabbed this, and then you take this part off. Easy, right? All right, now I have this little lamp. You can get these on Amazon. Super cute. I love the glow. I use these all around my house. I use them in the kitchen, in corners. I use them in lanterns all over the house. You can put them into anything that's sort of open and airy, and boom, you've got a unique lamp you made yourself. So what you're gonna do is take your little lamp, kind of put it through the cage, right? And hold on to it. What you're gonna do is come right through here. Come right through here and pull. You've got a little click switch, so just keep pulling that. And then you're gonna take your little base and you're just gonna set the lamp down on the inside and push down. Meanwhile, the cord is coming out the back. This is how you make your very own lamp. Easy, and these are so inexpensive, and actually so is this. I'm going to plug it into an extension cord. Boom. And now we have light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on my little step stool, and I'm gonna place this sort of right beside that little architectural piece with my wreath. Reason being, I want this to light up that beautiful wreath all day long and on to the evening hours. This is something I'll leave on 24/7. In my home, I do use a few accent lights and I leave them on 24/7. Why? It's cozy, it makes your house feel homey, and on dark, cloudy days, it's nice to have little spotlights here and there. Okay, next the lantern's gonna go up, and I'm just gonna angle it a little bit because on the other side, I'm gonna go in with 2 more of the lanterns that go with that collection, angle those. So this one will be angled, and then these will be angled. So you'll see. This is the medium-sized lantern. I have it open, and it doesn't take much to just add that really nice, fresh pop of color. So I have this simple lemon pick. I love it. It's got the little blooming flowers on it, and the lemons, it's really authentic looking because it's got the little squiggly branches. And all I did was bend the branches, and I'm going to stick it in there, and that's it.
Girl, give me a reason, even when it ain't enough.
When I place this one up here, we're leaving it open. I'm wondering if I should add a bow just on this one.
Show me what we got in love. Girl, give me a reason, even when it ain't enough. Hold me and believe it. Show me what we got.
I don't know, I just thought since I have a bow up there, maybe this one would be cute with a bow down below. I have this riser from Walmart, and what I'm going to do is elevate this on top of the riser. I kind of like the bow down below since up there, sort of, you know, a downward effect or an upward effect. And just so you guys see, I just slipped the ribbon through there, and then it has something to hold on to. Perfect. See, and I think that's kind of cute, leaving it open with the lemon sort of spilling out. And then we have a pop of blue and yellow to tie into the wreath and the bow over there. Now this is the smaller lantern, and all I did was place a little yellow flower pick in there. And then I have this little blue one. I'm gonna pop that in there because it goes so well with those colors. And I already shared this with you guys. I got this little bird set. It's a cast iron bird set on Amazon. I love it because it's distressed. It looks a little rusty. I love it. Let's put it in here. Okay, now we're gonna start up top and then we will work our way down. I'm pulling this striped plate, this lemon plate to the top. Just watch what I do. To show you what I got on Amazon. These are so stinking cute. You get 4 of them. They are very small. Here's my hand. They're pretty much the size of a hand, but oh, so cute. I'm gonna put 2 here and 2 here. See, I'm telling you seriously, how adorable. Okay, so right here, the last time I did my Easter display, I had a hydrangea wreath, leaned it on the wood, and many of you said boost it. It just doesn't look right, and I did, and you guys were right. So we're adding matching lemon wreaths. I'm gonna keep these shelves somewhat simple for me.
Your hand makes me tremble.
that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And it's time.
All right, friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I truly appreciate it, and especially your wonderful comments. Thank you. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. I hope I gave you some fun ideas on ways in which to decorate with lemons or the blue and yellow, which is completely new to me, but I'm having so much fun. So anyway, happy decorating, and I will see you guys back here next week. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.